Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford key fob battery used for different years, different models, Edge, Explorer, Flex, Focus, mostly after 2012. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so first thing we do, we have to take the emergency key out. We pull this button to the left and we pull the key, okay? Once again, this button to the left and we pull the key. Now we have to take the cover off. I do that by inserting the key and turning clockwise right here, okay? And then I turn clockwise. Most of the time it will pop open. If not, what I do, there is a gap here, see, just slide the key gently and it opens. Very easy. Now we have to take the battery. There is a slot right here which I use with a flathead and comes out. As I said, CR2032, okay? Once again, to put it back, first I put this part, okay, the V part, and then I press the battery. So I put and I press the battery. It's all good. So again, to take it out right here, very easy. Put it back in and press. Now we have to put the cover back. And that's about it. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.